सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। होप यू आर एडिंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। दोस्तों, आज के अपनी इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं निफ्टी 50 परफॉर्मेंस इन अगस्त 2023। निफ्टी 50 बेसिकली इंक्लूड्स 50 stocks from the stock market and these 50 stocks are not fixed, they are floating, but there are some stocks which are always in the list of Nifty 50 and these stocks are Reliance Industries Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, ICICI Bank, TCS, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ITC, HUL, Infosys and others. Performance is on the basis of returns that stock generated. Let's first see stocks which gave positive performance. Out of 50 stocks, only 15 stocks performed positively last month. Share price in this video is as per 5 September 2023. First stock is Adani Ports and Special Economic Zones. This stock had a positive performance of 1.84%. Second stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank gave a positive performance of 2.05% in August 2023 and current share price of Axis Bank is 980 rupees. Third stock is Cipla Limited. Cipla Limited had a positive performance of 7.03% and its current share price is 1241 rupees. Stock number 4 is Coal India Limited. It had a positive performance of 0.35% with a current share price of 251 rupees. Stock number 5 is HCL Technologies Limited. It had a positive performance of 4.97% with a current share price 1234 rupees. Stock number 6, Infosys Limited. Infosys had a positive performance of 5.88% with a current share price 1470 rupees. Stock number 7, Larsen and Toubro Limited. L&T had positive performance of 0.80% in August 2023 and its current share price is 2735 rupees. Stock number 8, LTI Mindtree Limited. This stock had a positive performance of 6.17% with a stock price 5440 rupees. Stock number 9, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Mahindra and Mahindra had a positive return of 6.79% with a stock price of 1572 rupees per share. Stock number 10, Wipro Limited. Wipro had a positive return of 1.86% for the investors and current share price of Wipro is 435 rupees. Stock number 11, Tech Mahindra Limited. Tech Mahindra had a positive return of 7.75% in August 2023 and current share price of Tech Mahindra is 1260 rupees. Stock number 12, Titan Limited. Titan gave a positive return of 3.34% and Titan's per share price in stock market is 3134 rupees. Stock number 13, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Maruti Suzuki gave a positive return of 1.86% to the investors and current share price of Maruti is 10,372 rupees. Stock number 14, NTPC Limited. It gave a positive return of 0.89% and its current share price in stock market is 233 rupees. Last stock which gave a positive return in August 2023 was SBI Life Insurance Limited. It gave a positive return of 0.81% and its current share price is 1322 rupees. So these were the 15 stocks out of Nifty 50 that gave positive return to investors in August 2023 and left 35 stocks had a negative performance in August 2023. You can analyze these 35 stocks from the chart that is displayed on your screen. So now you know in which stocks to invest for better return. To grow successfully in stock market, think wisely before investing. Top 5 stocks from the Nifty 50 which gave a negative return are: Stock number 1, Bharat Petroleum Limited. It gave a negative return of -9.79% in August 2023 and current share price of Bharat Petroleum Limited is 352 rupees. Stock number 2, SBI Limited. It had a negative return of -9.49% and its current share price is 574 rupees. Stock number 3, Power Grid CPI Limited. Power Grid gave a negative return of -9.5% -8.08%, and it has a current share price of 255 rupees in the stock market. Stock number 4, Hero Motor Corporation Limited. It gave a negative return of -8.98%, and Hero Motor Corporation Limited has a stock price of 2,941 rupees. Stock number 5 is Apollo Hospitals Limited. Apollo Hospitals had a negative return of -6.93%, and stock price of this stock is 4,961 rupees per share. So guys, if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. And you can check out our second video in which we have done NSDL's 3000 crore IPOs breakdown.